Hey, what's up? March 22nd here. Beautiful day in the sunny Outer Banks. Gonna go on a bike ride after this. Gosh, hoping we hit something good today. Life-changing. Got some good games. Got a brand new book we're opening today. Got this here in the Outer Banks. Let's see what happens with that. Got 4 Carolina jackpots, courtesy of Leah from Carlton's. And, and 3 Ultimates, 27, 28, 29 from Carlton's. So, let's see if we can do something better today than what's been going on last couple days. And tonight I'll be doing 2 of my Christmas tickets from those holiday packs that I've currently got. So, anyway, it's a gorgeous day here. Beautiful. Oh. Can I get my ashtray? Alright. Let's break these up first. A little bit of wind today. It's not near as cold as the thing, but I gotta be careful with 24, 25, 6, 27. Thanks. Yep. Sure is nice out here. Anyway. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. Right there. I keep these just in case it's a really big winner. You know, I keep it, with me. And if not, I throw it away at the end of the pack. Okay. There's a bonus on the back of each one of these, which is really cool. I do like that. Alright, so from this pack. Alright, 0, 1, and 2. 0, 1, 2. Brand new. Just like this thing. It's brand new evening. Whoa. It's my military jet there. I'm sure that is loud. You can see it though. Oh, it's good. 0, 1, 2. Okay. 4, 0. Oh boy. See that? 27. Okay, there's that one. 1. 28. 2. 1. We'll end with that last one there. Okay. Alright. So get my coin open and we're going to pan down. You guys like my new Diamond Owl? Hoping it brings me some good luck today. First time I'll wear this shirt. Let's see. It's a jet, man. It's like all around here. Oh, there they are. It's 2 fighter jets. It's 2 fighter jets. Wow. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, here we go. Pan down. Oh boy, rub the cherries. Rub the cherries. We're looking for 5 times money bag or jackpot. In jackpot, you get everything on the board. So, 14, 27, 10, 23, 13, 2, 9, 20, 8, 32, 22, 11. Do we have a match? 1, no. Wow, he's still here, man. Long gone. 38, 26, 16. Alright, nothing on the first 5. Alright, brand new pack. Damn, first ticket. This is from the Outer Banks. Red cherries, red cherries. Start with a bonus on the back. We're looking for win or 100 times. Could you imagine? Nice one. Pot of gold. Key. A crown. Bunny. And a heart. Start on the side now. 33. 41. 12. 7. 14. 11, 23, 30. Let's flip it back over. Leprechaun hat, cherries, rubber cherries, a frog, a clover, and a safe. So no bonus. Corners, 6, 8, 13, 39. 42, 3, 47, 29, 36, 38, 40, 18. No instant prize. 44, 44, 46, 49, 37, 42, 17, 19. Alright, there's nothing on the first one. Nothing on the first 2. What a warm day today. So nice. Alright, first $30 ticket today. Cherries. Red cherries. Knock on wood. Here we go. Clover. Diamonds. A bunny. And a pig. No bonus. It's 4. 5. 48. 65. 9. 34. 47, 43, 44, 8, 15, 39, 14, 9, 21, 38, 22, 5, there go the doubles, 2, 25, 58, 32, 6, come on, 33, 70, 3, 6, 46, 4, 56. No instant win, let's see if we can get a match. 36, 26, 56, 46. Boy, give me all the 6s. 36. We got it. Okay, we got a match. First one today. That's good. That's good. 41. No. 64. 69. I don't remember 69. 27. Nope. 6. Nope. 42. 43. 44, 32, 70, we got it, we got 70. We got 2 of these guys on here. 60, and 57. Alright, we got 2 matches on this one, that's good. That's good. Oops, that's are the losers. Get out of here, little bug. Let's do this, let's put it under a brand new ashtray. Alright, first one. Today is on the 30s. For the cherries. For the cherries. 24. 28. 11. 8. 6. 36, 30, 33, 16, 21, 9, 10. Holy shit. Leah, we got an instant win right there, little money bag. You guys see that? Nice job. Let's see if we get a match. 7, 12, 37, 34. Nope, we got the little money bag. So that's two wins today. Oh man. Woo! Alright, our second one from the new book. Rub the cherries. Rub the cherries. Start on the back. Got a car. Got a pig. A frog. A key. Leprechaun hat. There it goes. 26. 23. 36. 4. 3. 47. Alright. 13. 32. That's the back. There's a heart. Clover. A crown. A pot of gold. Cherries. Rub the cherries. Finish in the front. 33. 44. They go the doubles. 14. 22. 9. 39. 38. Sorry. I put that on there. 29. 28. 24. 49. 21. No instant. Oh, one more. 34. No instant. Let's see if we can get a match. Got a 6. 31. There's a 40. There's a 1. 39. 18. 27. 48. Damn. Alright, nothing on this one. Hope the new pack at least get one on the last one, right? Because your odds are like 1 out of 3.25. So, basically 4, but anyway. Rub the cherries. Rub the cherries. Knock on wood. Let's go for the bonus this time. Alright, leprechaun hat. Clover. Bell. Star. Alright, nothing there. 31. 26. 88. 19. 40. 7. 38. 68. 5. 49. 58. 39. 3. 33. 70. 41. 2. 28. 32. 5. 6. 24. 3. 7. 34. 64. 36. 65. 18. 60. Okay. No instant prize, but let's see. 35. 35. 67. No 67. 30. Just Jets again. 50. Woo! That's why. That's why you gotta watch. Wind's gonna get crazy here. 2. 2. 61. No 61. 55, we got it. We got it, guys. Right there. I didn't expect that. 62. Did not expect that. 11. And 12. Well, I got a match here. Got a 55. Shit, 2 greens today and 1 blue so far. Alright, got the blue again. Rub the cherries. Rub the cherries. Knock on wood. 40. 7. 3. 18. 28. 34. 30. 31. 27. 37. 23. 24. 2. 19. 9. No 38. Alright, didn't get these. Watch these wins. Watch these wins. Alright, we got last one of the new pack today. Cherries, rub the cherries. Come wood, go to the back. Man, that's coming up. You know what I'm gonna do? Get the lighter in its case. That way it's a little heavier. There, okay. You got a bunny. Cherries, rub the cherries. Crown. Car. And a leprechaun hat. Let's go ahead and finish the back. Hearts. Gold. A key. A frog. And a pig. Damn, no win. Alright, other side. Okay, 43. 11. 16. 17. 41. 30. 27. 40. 24. 8. 22. 48. It's gonna be hot on the bike ride today. 38. 31. 42. 34. 44. I gotta put some sunblock on. 12. 46. 6. Damn. Can I get a match this time? 29. 9. 4. 19. 23. 14. 13 now. 3. Nothing on the new pack. That kind of sucks. So I'm sure we'll hit tomorrow. Alright. Nothing on the new pack. But the greens are keeping us going today. Rub the cherries. Rub the cherries. Knock on wood. Let's get a bonus. Gonna get 3 in a row. Diamond. Star. Cherries. Rub the cherries. And a horseshoe. This is the last one, number 29 too. 34. 41. 12. 13. 32. 70 again. 19. 8. 22. 48. 6. 62. 42. 23. 69. 16. 5. 14. 4. 49. 2. 3. 67. Still got a multiplier on this thing. 47. 64. 44. 29. 5. 31. 38. No instant prize, but maybe we can get a match again. I don't know. 51. 31. 25. 68. 40. 63. Nope. 7. Oh, there's the win. Wow. Jeez. That's crazy. A little wind coming through here now. Little wind. Let's do this. Tyler. 57. 53. 27. 58. 38. 48. No. Oh, we got 2 in a row on these. Can't complain on this one. So. Alright, last one today. Last 5s. Rub the cherries. Rub the cherries. Knock on wood. 20. 26. 11. Jeez. 13. 12, 32, 2, 30, 17, 19, 28, 10, 3, 4, 1, 23, 39. Alright, so nothing on the last one of these. No 20s today. It's kind of crazy, isn't it? Brand new pack. Alright, 3 matches today. Alright, we're going to start the 5. Here we go. Okay, well, $10. Better than 5. $10 win right there. Alright, then we have 2 30s. Let's do the one with 2 first. 36. Holy shit. That's a 40. That's a 40, guys. That's 50 bucks back today. Ooh, and the 70. Okay, 10. 50. 60 bucks back today out of 165. And the last card was the 55. Alright, it's a 30. 30. $90 back today. Alright, $90 back today out of 160. It's better than half. So that's a lot better than the last couple days. So 90 bucks. Got a bonus round tonight. Not too bad. I wish we'd hit something on the 20s, but you know, tomorrow we probably will. Alright, peace out. Have a good day and enjoy yours.